Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from Zengo in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is that stablecoin that's like digital cash, always holding steady at around $1. Zengo is one of the most user-friendly wallets out there, with top-notch security features. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will get you withdrawing your funds smoothly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Zengo app installed on your phone. If not, head to the App Store or Google Play and download it. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, open the app and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Here, you'll see all your assets listed. Look for USDT in your portfolio. If it's not there, you might need to add it first. Step 1. Tap on your USDT balance to select it. This will bring up your options. Next, hit the Withdraw or Send button. Depending on the app's latest update in 2025, it might be labeled differently, but it's usually straightforward. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Double-check this. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so paste it carefully from a trusted source. After that, specify the amount you want to withdraw. Zengo might show you the network fees up front, so keep an eye on those. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Once everything looks good, review the details and confirm the transaction with your PIN or biometric authentication. Zengo's multi-party computation tech keeps your keys safe, which is a game changer for security. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network. And boom! You've successfully withdrawn your USDT. Remember, always withdraw to a wallet you control, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start small to avoid any mishaps. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.